For today's math problem, you need to have your math journal and you need to have glued your story problem on a brand new page. Pause the video if you have not glued it yet. All right, friends, before I read today's problem, I want to talk to you about how today's RDWW is going to look different. I'm going to read you the story problem. Then today for your math drawing, you are going to draw number bonds. Then you will write a number sentence to go with your number bonds. And at the end, you will write a sentence to answer the question. I'll remind you of that in a minute. Are you ready to hear today's story problem? All right, tug on those listening ears. Tamar sees 10 penguins. Some are swimming and some are sliding on their bellies down a hill. How many penguins are swimming and how many are sliding on their bellies? Try to show as many different possibilities as you can. So before you get started, wait. I need you to do something to your math journal. I need you to draw a vertical line up and down, a vertical line down the middle of your page. Now, I need you to draw a horizontal line across the middle of your page. You should have made 4 boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Great job. I'm going to walk you through what's going to go in each one. So remember our story said that some are swimming and some are sliding on their bellies. And we need to show this many different possibilities. So you're going to draw a number bond in the first box. I want you to fill in the number bond showing how many are swimming and how many are sliding. Remember, it's 10 penguins all together. Under your number bond, write a number sentence that goes with it. In the next box, you're going to do the same thing, but showing a different amount of penguins swimming and sliding on their bellies. So your parts are going to be different. Underneath your number bond, write a number sentence that goes with it. You're going to do this one more time. You're going to do another number bond about the 10 penguins, showing different parts. Some are swimming and some are sliding. You're going to write a number sentence that goes with that number bond. Now the last box is empty. This is where you're going to write a sentence answering the question. How many penguins are swimming and how many are sliding on their bellies? What I want you to do is just pick one of these number bonds that you like the most to answer the question. Then make a video on Seesaw